What's going on, traders? It's Tyler from Trade Kings, and today we're going over ACHV, Achieve Life Science Incorporated. We'll go ahead and start out by drawing our support and resistance. We got our resistance up here at 430. We got our support at $3, it looks like, and our median sitting right here at 365. So it's a pretty big range. This one gapped up this morning from 245 all the way to 430, and ever since just went straight down. So if you bought up here, very unlucky. But that's why you need to, if you did buy up here, that's why you need to watch these videos, because you need to learn when to take that trade. So basically, if we're looking to go long tomorrow, or not tomorrow, but on Monday, it looks like we're stabilized here for now. So what we're going to want to see is we need to see this gain momentum again, and we need to see this come Monday break back above the moving average and back above the VWAP, and then we want to see it. So I mean, it's going to take a big move, right? So if this happens, which is very slim, if the momentum comes and we break past this median here, that's when you should be watching, right? Because until those three things happen, until we break above the moving average, the VWAP, and the median, in my opinion, it's not even worth trying to go long, because it's still overall bearish, and you don't want to take that chance. The percentage of your winning is very low. So what we want to see is a break between all three of those things, and that's the first step. So that gives you that first signal. And I'm sure if you have a scanner, or you're watching it on your momentum scanner, whatever you got, you'll see it. So it's up to you to watch it. So once this happens, and once we get that break above that median, then what we want to see is we want to see it to cool down just slightly. We don't want to see it go crazy, parabolic, before we're even able to get in, right? So what we want to see, so this is why you need multiple things to happen, right? Because this is how you perfect a strategy in your trade. So we want to see the break. We want to see that first step, the break between those three things. We want to see it come back down and retest this median, this support here, and we want to see it stabilize and build up bullish volume. And at this point, we would be above the VWAP and the moving average at this point, most likely, which is always helpful. And so once you see it stabilize on this median here, that's when I would look to take that continuation trade after we break back above the high point of wherever we came up and back from. So once you break past that high point, you hop in for that continuation trade to the next resistance up here, right? And once you get up here, sell 3/4 of your position. That's what I do. That way, if we come back down like this, you're not stuck holding the bag. You know what I mean? So it's good to sell 3/4 of your position. That way, if you come down here, you have an easy choice. You can, sell and still be in profit. It's just so much easier to be in profit and make decisions than being negative, or just even and making decisions. It just messes up your mental. So it's always good to cut your profits when you're in profit, at least 3/4. Always stay ahead. Now, if this happens to break through here and you're still holding that, that 1/4, and it comes back down and retests and does the same kind of pullback pattern here, that would give you another opportunity to add more. And then you can ride it to the next support, wherever that may be. You see what I'm saying? So you get two opportunities as long as you sell here. That way you're cutting out the chance of it pulling back here. So yeah, that's always good. Those are your two opportunities. But like I said, it's going to be very lucky if this thing gets the momentum to break back above those areas. Now, if you're looking to go short, obviously you missed a couple opportunities already, but that doesn't matter. You never want to just hop into the trade. So what we're going to want to see is we want to see a break below this support here, right? We want to see a clean break below that support, a close below, and then we want to see it come back and retest this area, but we don't want to see it be strong. We want to see it get rejected. We want to see long wicks. We want to see bearish candles. Once you start seeing things close bearish, it can't get past, it stabilizes in the fact that it can't break past. That's when you hop in. Once it breaks past that point of where it stopped, you hop in for that continuation trade down to the next support. Simple as that, right? And you're in and you're out. Now, so I hope this video helped you guys. If this video did help you, please hit that like button. Please subscribe to my YouTube. Appreciate it very much. Check out Trade Kings. I do trade alerts. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.